Welcome back everybody to a new episode, and this episode we're going to be doing a Starlight on an i8. These are actually already done, but look at this. This turned out amazing. We didn't get to record it, but it was just a small job. Alcantara on all four pillars behind and in front of me, and yellow seatbelts with this navy blue interior. Looks amazing. So let's go get started on this i8 and get to work. So as you guys can see, we have the headliner already out. It is a bit of a hassle, but we thought we had to put it through the front windshield, but I'm so happy we don't have to. So the headliner is sitting there. We're gonna start marking everything and get started on the Starlight. All right, so we got Andre putting in the stars, marking the area. This is about a little over 100, just that small area. So he's gonna get it all marked up and then we can start poking the holes. Alright guys, so it is day 2 and we have all the Starlights in the headliner, and now we are ready to shove it into the car. We found a place for the light box. It was a little difficult because it has a carbon tub, but we found a place for the light box and now we're ready to shove in the headliner, start connecting everything. This is a little bit of a complicated one, but I think we can do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have the headliner in. The last step is going to actually be putting the light box in and screwing it on, because with this one we have to do it a little differently. And that's going to be the last step. We have to actually put it under the rear passenger seat. Alright guys, so the car is done, and this was a tough one, but we were able to finish it, and this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so we are headed to Diamond Autosports. I hope you enjoyed that clip. Man, at night, it's a totally different story. It looks amazing. So we're gonna go drop this off at Diamond, see if we can get another car, and I guess you'll have to see what's next in the next one. Thank you for watching.